Next to you and say, women. Women.
What's going on here? I come ready today. What's going on?
98%. Oh.
98% of what? Please, Prophet Uerbert Angel, explain to me. I am lost now. I am lost. Please.
There's a woman now who is staying in power now. She won 98% of the votes. Wow. Hi. 98%. No rigging.
I don't think it's so, Prophet.
Wow. Congratulations.
What?
90. Come on. Put it on 52. 57% is okay. Why 98? 98. Turn to someone next to you and say, women. Women. 98%. Oh, I love that woman.
What the fuck?
I knew it when she was wearing camouflage. I said, So I saw it from afar. So what you are saying is 2% are the ones marching on the streets.
Ndimbo kubatewo muromo Prophet ndingoti ga chinoitika Prophet ndechekuti munhu wese unenge uchide kumacha but amweni ane hana nhete anotye kufa nekuti masoja anobika munorohwa kusvika mati twasa kurohwa kusvika mapinde mugwara totye kufa Prophet.
I love Africa. I really love Africa. But it is also not the will of God to move around burning things because you are angry.
Prophet, tell us the problem of Tanzania.
The problem of Tanzania is not that lady. Is she called Suhulu or Suluhu? Huh? Suhulu. Yeah. It's not her problem. The problem is the church. Let me tell you. The Bible says we should pray for the leaders of our countries. All right? So if the leader is not ruling well, the Bible says so that they can rule well. So who is responsible for politicians ruling well? The church. So if a politician is not ruling well, the problem should be laid on the doorstep of the church.
Hey man, good to see you.